Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you company address addition and maintenance in SAP. Give the T code SUCOMP. Give the company name, for example ABC Limited. If you want to create a new company, click on this new icon. If you want to edit it, click on this edit icon. I want to create this new company, click on this new icon. In the title I am choosing company name ABC. And click on the save icon to save the information. In the same manner, if you want to edit it, enter the company name, click on this change icon, and now here you can edit the information and you can save it. You can contact me for installing SAP IDES, ECC6 and SAP S4 HANA on your PC or server or network or cloud, or set up your own SAP server on internet. It will contain a master data item validity year 9999, a web developer key and FIORI in it. Kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.